Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel, and to my returning subscribers, you already know you're the best. So guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a mini twist, and I'll be using this kinky braid extension. What am I saying? So remember the previous video I did a moisturizing and detangling routine on my hair. So this is like 2 days after I did that, and because I said that as at the time I did the detangling process, my hair was almost 7 months post relaxer. So I decided to do a protective hairstyle that is going to last me for at least 1 month before I take it down. It might not get to 1 month because if I want to relax my hair, I like to take it down like a week before I relax my hair, a week or 2 weeks before I do my relaxer processing and all of that. But let's see how it goes. So basically, this is just me trying to do a protective style to keep my hair safe and prevent it from breakage. Now you can see how the other comb, I tried using it to part my hair, and bro, it was not working. It was not doing justice at all. So I decided to use this wooden cotton comb. Even this one too, it was a lot of struggle. So after I did this part with this wooden cotton comb with so much struggle, the other part I decided to use my hand to part it. And remember, in my last video I also said that since my hair clocked 6 months was relaxer, I started using less of a comb. So I started doing more of finger detangling. So that was also what I did here in when I was making this hair. I try as much as I can to do my finger detangling again, to make it easy for me to part the hair for my twist. So you can see, like I said, since the comb was not doing justice, it was way too difficult. And this is actually the reason why I said I want to try out new leave-in conditioner. Now, I am not in any way going to stop using Mega Growth. Mega Growth, I've been using it since I started my hair care journey, and it is really nice. It is very good for my hair. Now, the only reason why I said I want to try out another one is because I do protein treatment. I do my protein treatment either once in a month or once in 2 months. So now, and at the same time, I use this my leave-in conditioner for weekly base. Like when I'm doing my weekly routine, I use it once in a week. But my oil and hair butter, I use those ones twice. That's like the oil for my scalp. I use that 2 or 3 times in a week. But then the moisturizer, that the leave-in conditioner, I use it once, because if I use it once during that week, my hair still have that moisturized feeling. So the next process, I just need to just apply my oil and all in my scalp and everything. So that's how I've been using it. So I just want to try out another leave-in conditioner that has less or that has no protein at all. Let me have one. Okay, so I can say that, oh, this leave-in conditioner contains protein, so you know that you not use it too often. Then this other one does not contain protein, so in the time when you are not using the leave-in conditioner that has protein, you'll be using the leave-in conditioner that does not have protein. Like, do you get what I'm saying? So that's just what I'm trying to say. Like, at least let me try out another leave-in conditioner that there is no protein and see how it goes, and then I can add it to my hair care routine and all of that. So from the video, the video is detailed. In fact, I've done a lot of videos doing a mini braid, but for this particular one, using this kinky extension, I've posted the video. I've posted one video on it. That the previous one I did was that one was very, very tiny than this particular one. But because I know, like I said, I don't know if I think I said it in, like, I don't know, nowadays braiding my hair, I tend to get tired easily. And especially when the hair now has two texture, that one becomes a struggle. So initially I tried doing the normal way, the normal way you start picking your hair from the down part, but it was not giving at all. I decided to follow that knotless braid kind of thing. So that's what I did, and I was just going with the flow. You can see the cutting is not that tiny compared to the one I did before. Almost when I do that one, I was like, let me go try this one again. And this is here I am doing it again. It is what it is. So if you've gotten to this part and you've not liked the video, please, this is a reminder to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you're still watching, you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Okay? Yeah, so this is how I made the twist all through the process. All through the it was a whole lot now, guys. It took me 3 days to finish the hair. Now it's not like I'm using all the 24 hours in a day to do it. No, I'm working. So when I get after I make it and I get to a particular part, I have to stop so that I'll rest and then continue the next day because I'll go to work, and then when I come back from work I continue. So that was how I did this hair in 3 days. So honestly speaking, it is not easy at all. It is not easy. So let me give you guys a little bit of music and I'll be back. You guys should enjoy. Look at now. The hair. I see. I know Sanu go go. So this is me. I think this is the second day. Yeah, this is the second day, and I decided to, show you guys the other parts. I mean, and hey, from the last one I did, if I'm braiding my hair, I usually start from the back of the hair, but this time around, I said, you know what? Let me start from the front because when you start from the back, if at all I plan on finishing my hair that particular day, and I start from the back, while getting to the front, you start getting tired and weak and weak and weak. So when you are very energetic, it's best to start from the front. So I decided, like, this time I'm going to start from the front. Plus, again, I don't trust the extension. Like, it looks full, but then it's not. It might not be enough. With this, my thick full hair, when full everywhere, they finish like as you're cutting, they increase and they increase. You get. So I decided to start the braiding from the front, and this is me showing you guys the pattern of the back. Honestly, I need to get like I need to start having a use I need to start using two mirrors so that the pattern will be coming out really perfect. But even at that, even I'm using just the front mirror and it's still coming out this nice. So yeah. So this is it though. This is the final look, and as usual I decided to use the leave-in conditioner for the tip of the hair, and then my hair butter as well to seal everything up, like the finishing top basically. I also used my hair mousse to lay all those flyouts down and my edges as well, since I don't use gel. You guys, look at the rubbish scissors I bought at the market. You guys, I just wasted my money. This thing, this thing pay me because the amount they called this thing, I was like, are you whining me? Say they whine me, even though I priced it too. But that amount I used to buy and sell is still paying me. That is now useless. So that means my money just got wasted. Oh, I don't see. Let me not come and carry this economy matter anger put for my videos. Oh my god, it is well. So guys, this is me. I'm back again. You guys, that hair mousse is a new one that I'm using now. The amount I bought it is the amount I used to buy the big size before. So this one you're seeing me using now is the small size. The rate at which things are going. Anyway, this is me flaunting my beautiful hair. Like, oh my god, I made this. So you can decide to rock it any way you want to. It is a versatile protective hairstyle. You can rock it in a different way. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys, we are going to be relaxing our hair very soon because we'll be getting to 8-month post relaxer soon. See you guys. Bye.